Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tapping it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can also switch it here. You can change its name, you can change its password, you can select security protocol, you can change its SSID, you can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can set up one-time data limit. You can also set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can use it for USB tethering, you can use it for Bluetooth tethering, and also for Ethernet tethering. You can also manage connected devices, like you can set up maximum amount of connections, and you can also add devices to a block list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.